I have no clue. I have no clue what I'm doing right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to this fantastic YouTube channel. So, for today's video of Vlogmas, which I'm not even going to put the days for Vlogmas just because I definitely know I'm not going to be vlogging every single day, as you can already tell. For the times that I do upload in December, I'm just going to put Vlogmas after it because obviously most of this is going to be Christmas themed. I'm actually going to be decorating my room now, finally. So I'm just going to show you guys the stuff that I bought. I went to the dollar store, Five Below, and did I go anywhere else? Actually, yeah, those are the only two places that I went. And I actually have my glasses on for this video, which is good because I don't have the lighting in front of me that I did from my Black Friday haul, which if you didn't watch that, you should go look at that. But I didn't feel like bringing out my lights just because you're going to be seeing me go around my room and just decorate, and there's no point in me like bringing the light around with me. I want this to be authentic, as if you guys were actually in my room with me. First two things that I have, I actually did not buy. My mom bought them, and they're just these lights, these Christmas lights. We're going to be starting off with the stuff I got from Dollar Tree. So first, I just got 2 packs of these, what are they called? Bulbs? Ornaments? Yeah, ornament stuff. So I just got 2 packs of these ornaments. Is it focusing? Okay, I got 2 packs of these ornaments. They kind of look like golf balls right here, but I have this theme going for silver and gold because my room is like gray, pink, and white, but my walls are blue, so that's why I choose neutral colors. So for my Christmas decorations, I want it to be around silver and gold, and obviously white as well. So then next I got this garland, tinsel, whatever you want to call it. Is it tinsel? Yeah, tinsel garland. Okay, that's what I thought. And it's just like silvery, and it has like little snowflakes on it, if you can see, and I thought that was super cute. It's almost like putting snow in my room without actually using, you know, real snow. So I got 2 of that. I also got this little door knocker because on my front door I have pictures that Lisette drew me back when we first moved into the house 10 years ago. So I didn't want to put up a wreath and cover that. So I just got this door knocker, and it's gold, so it goes along with the theme that I had going on. And then next I also got the tree skirt that I wanted to put under my tree, obviously, and it looks like Santa's coat. Like, it has the fur, and then it's like a pretty sparkly red. So I also got this out of my theme just because it looked really cute, and I liked some pop of color of red. And then I got bows. So first I got this bow, just a sparkly one, and then I got a pack of 2 bows in case I just wanted more to put somewhere. Oh, I lied. I actually got this to put on the front of my door. I'm such a liar. I got this to put on the front of my door, so maybe I will, you know, actually put that over the top of this paintings. I also got this. I didn't know where to put it, but it just looks so pretty. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I liked how it had like the wood, and then it has like the deer and the snow. So this added some more pop of color to my silver gold theme. So I don't know where I want to put this. I kind of had an idea for it, but I don't know. And then the last thing I got were just these 2 mini trees. They're just sparkly. They're gold, obviously, so I just got these as well. And then for Five Below, I just got 2 things. So I got this pillow that says "Let It Snow," and I actually planned on getting a chair to put over here next to my mirror, and I wanted to put this pillow in that chair, so hopefully I get it soon. But for now, I'm just going to be putting it on my bed because it matches like my gray that I was explaining earlier. And lastly, obviously, I have my tree, which is the 4-foot tree that I got from Five Below, and this is what it'll look like. So you're just gonna be watching me set it up, put the ornaments on. I don't have the hooks for my ornaments. I'm pretty sure my mom has some downstairs, so I think I might just get those now, and then you'll just see me set up my tree. So we're back. It was a little bit of a process because I did not buy hooks, expecting to just have a whole bunch at the bottom of our ornament boxes, but there weren't. So I scrounged up as like many as I can, and hopefully they won't look dumb because they're too long. And if so, I should have just bought the ornament hooks for $1, but I didn't. So we're about to decorate the tree now. So have fun watching me do that. So here's what she's looking like. Very cute. She is really tall though. Like, I'm surprised how tall she is. So now I'm just gonna put the lights on her. I'll probably I wanna put these ones on her just because they're gonna be red, you know? But then again, these might actually look nice too. So I don't know, we'll just have to unwrap both and see who looks the best on her, because now she's looking a little naked. No clue what I am doing. I have no clue. I have no clue what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I want to put this on my tree. No, I'm not a fan. Okay, so that didn't work. So I'm just gonna try and put my ornaments on instead. Okay. No? There we go. Okay, so I was running out of battery, so I had to charge it, but here is what she looks like finished. I'm probably gonna get more ornaments to put on it, but for now, this is what she's just going to be looking like. So next, I'm going to be putting my tinsel in various places that I choose. So first, I'm just gonna put it probably on my TV. So we're probably just gonna put the garland like around here, and then we'll just see how it ends up looking. I don't know if I want to like loop it around the legs. Definitely want some of it to like almost to like this way, this way. It looks like kind of random. Even like that. Taylor is not as great a decorator as her mother, because this just looks bad. Ignore that ring right there. But like, this just isn't looking as good as I would have hoped. And then I also want to put it on my shelf, so one, and then wrap that around the other. So hopefully that ends up looking nice. I might just have to cut it in half so it doesn't end up looking dumb. So here's how this is looking now. I don't know. I feel like someone's gonna be like, that just looks so weird. But like, I like how it loops. Like onto my picture frame. Oh my god, this is so hard. How do people do this for a living? Like, oh my goodness gracious, we're gonna fix that. And then I liked how this was like hanging, but she hangs kind of like weirdish. That'd be cool if I could just like, I mean, I can just tape it under there like that if I wanted to. We've got that. We've got this. We've got that. There's already lights on this, so that's fine, but I don't know. I'll probably just end up changing it, and then when you see it, you'll be like, okay, that's much better, Taylor. That's much better. I kind of just randomly put that up there, but that's gonna have to go. I wanted to put this tree, I'm just gonna cover up the tag for now, right here. Looks very nice, but I wanted to put both of them. This one too. I wanted to put it right here. And this jar is kind of like getting on my nerves. I gotta figure out where to put this jar now. She is gonna have to go. But you see we've got this going on right now. Why is this not focusing? Okay, so I have this looking like this, which to me looks very cute. I really like that. How I put both my trees right here next to them. I normally have something else up here though, so which is normally that. That's my only problem, but this just looks so nice, and I have to figure out where to put that, which I might just put this on my vanity some way, somehow. I don't know. But I'm gonna put a bow up there. I'm gonna put a bow right here. that's great. Covers up the set a little bit, but it's fine. Oh my god, my battery's dying again. This is terrible. But look! Oh my god, there's a bow. Okay, so we have the finished product of everything that I decorated. I'm sorry I didn't show you what I was decorating, but like I said, my camera was dying, the battery was bad, and I still need to get a second one. I only have one, which is really dumb of me. But I'm going to be showing you guys my finished product of my room and how she looks. So, here is what she is looking like. So, we're going to start over here. This is where I put both of the trees, like I said. I have my candles that are lit right here, and then of course in the back, this, I think you were supposed to put it on the back of a door, but I just cut off the tie that was at the top. So this is definitely my favorite part of my room by far. When you move over, as you can see from my light box, I changed the saying that I had before. I had, what did I say? Oh, hashtag it's cuddle weather, and now I put slay the day, which I should have put like the cute little heart on there, but it's fine. I have my garland tinsel that I showed you guys earlier. Of course, I already had my lights right here, but of course it just makes it more, you know, Christmassy. I added the little Santa skirt at the bottom, and then here's just what it looks like with all the bulbs. I'm gonna get more, like some more, like rinky-dink looking ornaments, and then my mom actually had a tree topper that she said she wasn't using. And then of course when you move over here, I have some more tinsel, just laid it down, wrapped it around my TV, and then I added the lights that I said I wasn't gonna use on my tree. I put them here instead, and I just have to put batteries in them so they can light up too. And then over here, I put the pillow in this chair just because I don't have the chair that I want. And then the last two bows, I actually ended up putting on my calendar because I use my calendar religiously. I put all my events on there. I actually haven't updated it for December yet, but I will soon. I have this bell right here that I did not put on my door yet, but you see how I put the little door knocker right here, so I plan on putting this right here on my door, so it'll be like this, and then the door knocker will be right there. And I actually have lights that go around my banner. These lights, as you can see, they're the same lights right here, but I use these more. They were old, so it broke, but I actually need to get the replacement lights for that, so I'm probably gonna do that this weekend. But yeah, that is everything that I used to decorate my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.